Hello everyone, today we are gonna solve diameter of binary tree problem. So in this problem we are given a root of a binary tree and we have to find the diameter. So what does the diameter means? Diameter means the longest distance between any two nodes. So if we find the distance between this 3 and 8, so what will the distance? In earlier question we find the distance, height or depth by calculating the number of nodes, but in this problem it is given we have to find by number of edges. So the number of edges between 3 and 8 will be, this is the path if you see. So in this path 1 2 3 there will be 3 edges, so we can say the distance is 3. So now we have to find the maximum distance between any two nodes. So if we see this 4 and this 7, so what is the distance here is 1 2 3 4 5. So the distance is 5, and you can see one more thing here. Our diameter of a binary tree may be passed through our root node or may not be. So in this case, our diameter is something like this. You can see. So it is not passing through root. So now let's understand how we can solve this. So before moving the solution of this, I would recommend you to first watch balanced binary tree problem. In that I have detailed explained how to find height of a binary tree. Once you know how to find height of a binary tree, then this problem is very cakewalk for you. So what we have to do is we just have to find the maximum of height of left subtree plus height of right subtree. So once we find left and right for every node, we will get our answer. So let's check out the code and just do a dry run to understand it. So this is our function to calculate height of a binary tree, and this is our function to calculate diameter of binary tree. So what we are doing is we simply call our height function with a minimum value, and this is calling by reference, so I can use it here, answer, which is initialized with min. I can say min, and I call my height with minimum. So it is by reference, so I will use here. So what I will call my height, and it will say that it is not null. If it is null, then it will return 0, otherwise it will call it left. So it will call its left, and left is h2. It will also not null, so it is call its left, which is h3, and this h3 call its left, which will be h4, and it will call its left. So its left is null. If it is left is null, it will return 0. It will return 0. Its right is also null, so it will also return 0. So how do we find height? Let's say if I have to find height of this node. So how do I find? I will say its left subtree height is this, its right subtree height is r, and then I will say then what is the real value of L? L is 2, here r is 3. So I will say what is max? So max is 3. So I will say my height of this 2 will be max among this L plus r plus 1. So max among left plus right plus 1. So this is how I find the height. So height of this will be 4. So what is height of binary tree? Height of binary tree is the distance between that node to the leaf node, longest leaf node. So you can see the number of node is 1 2 3 4. So height of this node will be 4. So this is how I find. But for now what I am checking is 0 0. What is this 0 0? 0 0 is height of its left subtree and right subtree. So what will be height of this? This will be 1. Left and 0 plus 1. So this will be 1. So it will return 1. It will return 1. And before returning 1, it will check this, it will initialize this my minimum with 0. Left plus right is 0. Now what we will do from here this 0 is this 1 is written. So 1 is from S3 left. Now we will call its right. So its right will be null. So right will be null. So it will return 0. So now 0 plus 1 is, what is 0 plus 1? So 0 plus 1 is 1. So our answer will be 1. And it will return, what it will return? Height of S3. Height of S3 is, what is height of S3? It will be 2. So we can see height of S3 is 2. And right now my max diameter is 1. Okay, this is my max diameter right now. Now what we will do? We will call its right. For H2 right, it will call H5. Then it will call its left. Its left is null, so it will return 0. So it will call it right. Its right will done. and from its right it's call its left, which will return 0. It will also return 0. So it will call its left right again. So it's right, this will return 0, this will also return 0, both of them returning 0. So what it will return? 1. It will return 1. So I can say it will return 1. So now 0 and 1, 0 and 1 is sum is less than, not greater than answer, so we will not update. Now 0 and 1, which is maximum? 1 is maximum, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Now this S6 will return 2. S6 will return 2. So now my S6 is returning 2. Now for 5, before going to 5, 0, this 2 is greater, so I will update my answers to 2. Answer to 2. So now my 0 and 2, what will be height of 5? So this H5 will return 3. This return 3. So for this 2, this is returning 2, this is returning 3. This is returning 2, this is returning 3. So what will be my max? The sum is 2 plus 3 will be 5. 2 plus 3 will be 5. So my answer will be here 5. My answer will be 5. And now what I will do? I will returning from here. From here I am returning this 2 plus 3. Not 2 plus 3. Maximum of this is 3 plus 1, 4. So I am here returning 4. I am here returning 4. From here I am returning this 4. This 4 is gone. And from this left, it is come. What is this? This is, you can say, what is this height of its right will be H8 and this will be called this. So finally it will return 1. So 4 and 1 is also, and 4 and 1 will be my 5. So what I can say that? What I can say? Wait a minute. So here you can see 5 node will be there. But why it is returning 4 plus 1, 5? How? It is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this will be 4 now. This will be 4. This is also 5. So we can say that this is also, there will be 2 paths of same diameter. Both of them are 5. So we can have this also. So this is passing through root and this was not passing through root, and both of them have the same diameter. So we have to return the length. We do not have to return the path. So now 4 and 5, 4 and 1 it will also 5. And what is maximum? What is maximum? So the maximum is 4, and so 4 plus 1, 5 will be returned. 5 will be returned. So our height is 5, but we are not using this height. We do not care about the height. We just have to return answer. So we will return this answer. So we can see that we have a 2 diameter here. One is passing through root and another is not passing through root, and both of them have the same diameter, which is 5. So now what will be the time complexity? So time complexity for this will be O of n. Why O of n? Because we are calculating diameter while calculating height. We are not using any other thing for this diameter. We just find the maximum left plus right. And now for the space complexity, it will be also O of n because of this functional call stack memory of this recursion. I hope you understand this solution. If it helps you, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for